What's up, guys? We are gonna go apartment searching today. So, luckily, we wanted to stay in the same neighborhood, and literally, let me get out of the way of this scooter. Literally, we are right across the street. So this is our apartment, and the first place that we're looking at today is going to be right here at the Golden Lotus apartment. So it's literally a 1-minute walk, and I believe this is probably the agent. So let's get in here real quick and show you guys what you can get. Supposedly this is a 2-bedroom. Let's go take a look at it. Take off the shoes, as always. Okay, so initial impression, I guess this is your makeshift living room. Okay, not terrible. I guess we would have to figure out what is the room. This is okay. So you have, this is supposed to be a 2-bedroom. It's a little bit bigger and a little bit better than what I thought from the start. You have all these buttons. I'm not sure what those are. The AC's going. Shockingly, they usually have this AC and this fan turned off, so when you come into a place, it's very, very hot. But you do have a chair. Decent sized 2nd bedroom. This is technically the living room area. There is a TV. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom is a decent size. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all, actually, for the bathroom. You have a 1-burner stove. We would like a 2-burner stove, but 1 burner, you gotta kind of make do with it. Wow. And then this bedroom, very nice 1-bedroom. Very, very nice bedroom. So, like I said, we are literally across from our place. So we're not gonna get the city view. We're not gonna get the beach view, but we will get a street view, I guess. But the bedroom is decent. The only thing that I really notice is I worry about the security deposit, guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. Because you have stuff like this. So I'm not sure. Fluffy, is this mold that they just painted over?
No.
Or is that just repairs?
It's just repairs. No.
Because even up there, look it up there, Fluffy.
No, that's just repairs.
But the thing about it is they're gonna want a deposit here, and then when you guys move out, are they gonna try to charge you and say you did this?
You have to take a photo and
Okay.
like before and after. That's not a problem.
And the only other thing I'm kind of worried about, like,
No couch. No couch. Sofa bed. No bed. Sofa.
No sofa.
Couch.
no sofa, no sofa.
couch.
The only thing people say when you're dealing with mold, we haven't really had to run into that, but they said you should be able to smell it. They said you should be able to smell it when you come in, and I'm kind of curious if that's why all the ACs and the fans are on. Because why? We've never came into an apartment where the ACs and stuff are left on.
Showing it to others, I guess.
We've went to multiple apartments. So that is something I am kind of not used to, but everything overall is not bad. How much? 8 million.
Yes.
8 million. How long of a contract?
Minimum 3 months.
3 months. 3 months. Okay. Deposit?
The budget 1.
1 month. 1 month deposit, 1 month rent. Okay. And this is available now?
Yes.
Now, okay. 1 month deposit, 1 month rent. So that would mean move-in would be something like 8 million for the rent and 8 million for the deposit. So it is a 2-bedroom, no technical, I guess this is technically a small living room that I guess you would say. I do wish we had a couch right here. The couch is the one thing, but it does,
Utensils, you have spoon, fork.
all the stuff comes with it once we move in.
Moving.
Rice cooker, pan,
There.
so cooking stuff, pan, microwave.
Okay.
Plate.
So usually they will provide it with you guys. Usually, we'll see. They do have scissors, the one thing that we do have.
You move here, microwave here. Pan.
Not available at the moment. I will ask the host and add it for you. By the time we come in, they will have it. Like if we move in,
They will still ask.
because that's, if they're not going to do it, then that's a big thing. Any of you planning a trip to DaNang in the next 60 days? Well, book a free 30-minute video consultation with me to get all the information you need to settle in smoothly. During this call, I'll provide personalized advice and answer any of the questions you have about traveling or living in DaNang. So don't hesitate to book your free consultation today. The link is in the description below. There's no couch here, so there's a 2-bedroom, so it's not like a studio. Excuse me. So there's not a, it's not a studio. So some studios won't have a couch or something, but you have a bedroom, but you don't have a couch. So they said, if you get a couch, we're going to charge you extra money. So this place kind of turns in a $315 rental. And then if you wanted the couch, the higher electricity, and the higher water fee, you're already probably at like $360 a month, $370. And there is some wear and tear, which you have to be careful about, because obviously there is the use. Look at the painting has been kind of overdone. And then at the end, I really, really hope that you won't be battling with the landlord when he says, oh, I gotta repaint the walls and you caused this damage. So that's a big thing. They're going to tell you, like, I'm going to ask them before we leave, like, hey, we see all the stuff with the walls. If I do a security deposit, what's to say that the landlord's not going to say that I did this? So you guys can see all the wear and tear on it. This place would be an amazing deal at 6 or 7 million with this view, with the size of the bedroom. But at 8 million plus the higher fees of everything, like, look at this. I'm not looking for anything perfect, but what I'm saying is with a security deposit, you're going to kind of have a trouble or difficulty, I think, with trying to get back your full security deposit. So not sure though, but I'll ask him about that. So let me ask real quick. Can I use translator? I like this place. Overall, I definitely give this a thumbs up, except for the cons are kind of a deal breaker when you combine them. The price is a little too high for this, in my opinion. No couch, worried about the security deposit. 6 million, 7 million, maybe max is, in my opinion, what I would pay for this. And you are definitely gonna have to take pictures and video before you move in here and make sure that the landlord knows I'm giving you this security deposit and we already know that there's these issues. Right, Fluffy? That doesn't sound too... But look, they have the fan.
Yeah.
They have fans, so your electricity is probably not going to be that bad here. Let's see what he responded to. I wanted to ask him about the damages. There will be a lease. If your contract ends, the landlord will definitely return the deposit. Guys, so we're here at the Golden Lotus apartment. My overall take on that place is great size, great location, but I think it's a little expensive for what it is. It's a little worn down. All the bills are expensive compared to what you should pay. $4,000 should be a little over of what you should typically pay. $3,800 is usually per kilowatt on the electricity. Here it's $4,000. Water is usually $50,000. Here it's $100,000. They even are charging $150,000, which is like a $6 management fee, which is a little expensive. We don't really get management fees at places. No couch. So if you do want a couch, it's either not here or they're going to try to charge you separately. I worry about the security deposit issue at the end. But this place has a lot of potential. This has a lot of potential, But a lot of those small things kind of combined kind of are going to make us pass on this. This would be a great starter place for someone that didn't want to get a hotel at the start and was a brand new person here. You go to that place, you learn that you overspend a little bit, but you have a nice place, and then you kind of build your experience of getting a better place from that. But we've been here for over a year. We kind of know what to look out for. So not sure what we're going to do about this one. At this point, probably pass. We will look at some more apartments very, very soon. But for now, I hope that you guys enjoyed checking out this rental. If you did, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. It does help the channel grow. Once again, enjoy the video and happy travels.